Are you tired of boring lunchboxes that don't keep your food fresh or organized? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 lunchboxes that are perfect for school, work, travel, or meal prep. From stylish and compact designs to durable and leak-proof options, we've got something for everyone. And don't worry, I've included all the product links down in the description so you can check them out easily after watching. Now, let's dive right into the list. 5. Lifewit Medium Lunch Box. This thermal insulated lunch bag is designed to keep your food and drinks cool or warm for over 5 hours, thanks to its high-quality insulated material, food-grade PEVA foil lining, and 6mm PE foam padding that provides excellent protection. With a large 9L capacity, 10-inch 6.78-inch, it easily holds up to 12 cans of soda or a full meal with sandwiches, salads, snacks, drinks, and fruits, making it ideal for office, work, trips, picnics, or the beach. The durable 600D Oxford fabric exterior is water-resistant, dirt-proof, and easy to clean, while the leak-proof design ensures no spills even when filled with ice and water. Built with strong zippers and a wear-resistant lining, it withstands daily use without worry. For added convenience, the wide-open lid with two-way zippers allows easy access, and the sturdy handles, plus a detachable shoulder strap, make it portable and comfortable to carry. Extra front and side pockets provide space for small essentials like keys, phones, or earbuds, making this lunch bag a reliable and versatile choice for everyday use. Number 4. MIYCOO Lunch Box. The large-capacity double-layer lunch bag is designed with practicality and versatility in mind, measuring 10.1 inches at 7.7 inch by 9.1 inch, expanded to 10.1 inch by 7.7 inch by 10.3. Its dual-layer design allows you to separate different types of food, preventing items from being piled up or squashed, while offering ample space to store sandwiches, fruits, snacks, drinks, lunch boxes, and even beer. Perfect for multiple occasions, this multifunctional bag can be taken to the office, used for weekend picnics, carried to the beach with cold drinks, or simply used as a casual tote bag, making it ideal for both men and women. Featuring a thickened, seamless PEVA liner, it is completely leak-proof and provides excellent insulation to keep food fresh, warm, or cold for hours, with the option to add ice cubes for extended cooling. The smooth PEVA interior also makes cleaning hassle-free. Just a quick wipe is all it takes. With the ability to maintain temperature and freshness for up to 7 hours, this lunch bag is a reliable choice for everyday use and outdoor adventures. 3. Lovoeo Lunch Box. This large-capacity lunch bag, 10.63 in x 9.06 in x 3.54 in, is designed to hold everything you need for the day, from lunch boxes and snacks to fruits, drinks, and bread. Lightweight and portable, it features thickened handles with a removable clasp, allowing you to carry it by hand or conveniently hang it on your backpack, briefcase, or travel bag. Made with durable polyester fabric on the outside and multiple layers of insulated aluminum foil on the inside, it keeps your food fresh, whether hot or cold, and is easy to clean. The bag also includes a side mesh pocket for drinks, umbrellas, or mugs, along with a spacious front pocket for essentials like your phone, keys, cards, or wallet. With smooth zippers for easy access and a stylish, practical design, this lunch bag is perfect for work, school, picnics, camping, or daily use. 2. ZM-YOUTOO Lunch Box. This portable and lightweight lunch bag is perfect for everyday use by both men and women, making it a practical choice for work, school, or travel. With a suitable size of 8.7 by 4.5 by 10.2 inches, 22 by 11 by 26 centimeters, it offers ample space to hold up to 12 cans of soda or a full meal, making it ideal for one person's lunch and even extra snacks. Designed with waterproof and easy-to-clean materials, it ensures hassle-free maintenance while keeping your food safe and fresh. Built from high-quality, durable materials, this lunch bag is made to last, giving you long-term value and reliability for your daily needs. 1. Omie Bento Lunch Box. Omie Box makes lunchtime easier, healthier, and more enjoyable for both kids and parents. With its built-in insulated container, you can pack hot and cold foods side by side, keeping warm meals cozy and fresh items crisp, all in one leak-proof, organized bento box. Kids get more variety and a meal they'll actually look forward to, while parents save time by rotating simple favorites instead of scrambling for new lunch ideas. Designed to last, Omie Box stays looking new even after a year of daily use, with replaceable parts to extend its lifespan. Made from premium, food-safe materials, it's BPA and phthalate-free, includes a durable stainless steel vacuum-insulated container, and is easy to clean thanks to fully removable seals. Perfect for kids ages 3 and up, Omie Box is a smart, high-quality investment that keeps lunches exciting while making busy mornings a whole lot simpler. That wraps up our list of the top 5 lunch boxes you can grab right now. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more product reviews, and share this video with friends who are looking for a new lunchbox. I've added all the product links down in the description, so make sure to check them out if you want to grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.